Abracadabra! Happy Halloween! What shall we taste today? Please welcome in Sound Action.
Start by pumping up both your 160 black balloon and your 260 black balloon. Tie the two black balloons together. Using the 260 balloon, make two 7cm bubbles and twist them together. Using the 160 black balloon, make two 4cm bubbles. This makes the ears. Now for the tricky bit. Squeeze both the black balloons underneath the head and twist them together. Now using the 160 balloon, make a 2cm bubble. And make two pinch twists. This forms a neck. Squeeze the air of the 260 balloon and twist it back into the two pinch twists. Now using your 160 balloon, make two 10cm bubbles. This makes his legs. Using the 260 balloon, make a 10cm bubble and a pinch twist. This forms his body. Now make a loop twist. This forms his back legs. You can now cut the rest of the 260 balloon away. Now put his two front legs into the loop twist that you made earlier, so he sits down. You can now cut the rest of the 160 balloon off, but make sure to save it and tie a knot. Don't forget to also tie the knot around where the pinch twists are. And hide the knot. Now to make his tail. Squish the balloon until it becomes wavy. And twist it into the pinch twist at the bottom of the cat. Now make a 12cm bubble and cut off the rest. And tie a knot to complete his tail. And the twisting part is done. Now to make his eyes. Use a yellow paint marker to draw the outline of his eyes. And use a black marker to draw his iris. But please make sure to wait until your marker is dry, and don't do what Clown Action did. and use a white marker for highlights. And your cat is done.
Wow, I have a balloon black cat. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.